Yeah, so we know meat's going up in prices. And so if you want to have something that's kind of like a steak dinner, but you have bare money, but you got wine taste or champagne taste, take a beef roast, okay? Cut some slices, put it in your pot. I like to add my vegetables so the meat and the juices from the meat will go into the vegetables. Kids seem to like that more when it tastes more meatier, okay? And just fry it up. And then you have 2 meals out of this, all right? They're little ones, but hey, you know, it's like steak. So I just wanted to share. And then I recycle my bags. This is wrapped. So this bag is not going to touch the meat at all. And I'm going to use it tomorrow. So I'm just going to, I can't do it with one hand. But this is what I do. And so it's defrosted. It's ready for me to cook this tomorrow. Really, you should have red meat once a month, a doctor once said. But we love red meat, most of us. So if you eat little pieces, because you should really eat a piece of meat that's the size of your fist. Did you know that? So it has time to digest it. You remember the old rule of thumb? Chew your food 30 times before you swallow it. Who does that? But if you can remember, it's better. That's why older folks in nursing homes have Paris food. Just for thought. From my kitchen to yours.